Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. With Halloween just around the corner, I wanted to share something really cute with you for Halloween. So meet Emily the Bat from Squishmallows. Isn't she awesome? I love how she's so dark and black in the ears, and of course these little bat wings. I could just do this all day with, right? So cute. And I just think her eyes are just so mesmerizing. Look. Oh, my camera doesn't blur out on me, but pretty cool, right? And of course she's really squishy, just like all the Squishmallows. Let's see if I can squish her down. So cute. Okay, and also I also have Paige here, the pumpkin. So they're part of the Squishmallow Halloween line. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get all of them, but I wanted to show them to you what they have, so maybe you have them too. So these are all the Halloween Squishmallows they put out this year, and they have a spider, a mummy, and of course the pumpkin and bat that I have, and the Frankenstein, a cat, candy corn, and a witch. Hopefully you have all of them, but I wasn't able to get all of them because they're so popular. But let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I would pick the candy corn, of course. I just love the colors, it's so cute. So today, as I said, I have the bat, so I wanted to draw that for you, and hopefully you guys will love how it turns out. So let's get started. To draw this cute bat, let's first start by drawing a curve for the top of its head. So I'm going to come right here, just draw a curve. And from there I'm going to start to build this kind of like a long dumpling shape. So we're just going to start to come down. And I'm going to bring it down more. And see, but right there I'm going to start to bring it in. And go ahead and connect it towards the bottom. So the bottom's going to be a little bit more flattened out. And connected. There, so that's the approximate shape that you're aiming to draw. And from there, let's come back to the top. Say about in this area right here, I'm going to draw the ears. So I'm going to start about right here and go up with a curve and go around and bring it all the way down. And then from there, let's come in here. We're just going to draw a curve that kind of tapers in to give our ear some dimension. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just going to drag some points across so it's approximate, same size. So from here, let's go up once again. And I'm just going to drag this point across, just approximate. And from there, I'm going to start to bring it in back to here. And down. So from there, let's once again draw the inside. The flap that makes this ear right here. So from there, now we have the ears in. Let's come and bring this little bat to life. I'm going to come in the center, in this area, and draw a curve. So right in the center. And then from this curve, I'm going to draw two little fangs. And let's go ahead and thicken this smile a little bit. And you can cap it off right here on the ends. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the side. In this area, I'm going to draw a big circle. So same thing on the other side, so right there. Okay, so there are two circles in, and then let's come inside. We're going to draw another circle. And this is the one we're going to shade in. So I'm going to give it a little highlight right here and shade it in. So same thing over here. There. And then let's come up And I'm just going to draw a little curve above each eye. And then let's draw this big curve for the tummy area. So I'm going to start right here. I'm just give myself 2 points so I know where to go back to. And we're going to go up and around. So just come back down to that point. And then now for the wings. I'm going to come about in this area and go up, come down, and about right here I'm going to start to draw soft curves, wobble back, nice and soft. And let's draw the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag some points across to approximate. So once again, go up and come down and wobble all the way back. And of course, wouldn't be complete without a heart right here to make it my Squishmallow Draw So Cute bat, right? So there, hope you love how this cute little bat turned out and it inspires you to draw it for this Halloween. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.